recording, and here we go. You can see the speed at which NumPy runs, running a little one-line script on chi-square in NumPy random generation. Pretty cool. Over here I've got a little bit of geometry going, and I've got a little oscillation, but the speed at which that oscillation is changing, you can see it's generating a nice 4x4 array right now, and I can upsize that. You see that it still handles quite a bit of speed. We're just making a longer one, and I can also make my array more, but it won't output. Actually, it will output more. I can't believe it. So that's a pretty heavy array as that's processing in real time. That's pretty exciting. So I'm going to bring it back down to 4x. Let's do a little 3x3 array, and that will drive my geometries, or 4x4. That's it. I'm back into OPS. No comments. You can download files. This will be out in May at wickersonstudios.com. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm going to hit pause. That is the power of writing script. You can see we're over 2,400 lines of code, and we have a pretty awesome generation of what's happening in its 6th script, I think. If I take a look here, you'll see that we're already in the Grasshopper for Python analysis, and that's the 6th GH script, and they're all pretty full. This one I'm just starting, but I was playing around with a little bit of this data visualization to show the power of pi. So that's it. Or as my wife says, NumPy. That's it.